It's not just one thing with you. It's not just the voice. It's not just the performance. You have everything. Whatever.
Like Louis Tomlinson pressed the golden buzzer. I was like, oh my gosh, is this real? My mom's always been there for me. She's always supported me. We haven't really had like a stable living situation. Yeah. She had put all of her money into this house and it did not work out.
We lost our house. It's an emotional topic.
We didn't really have anywhere to go.
There she is.
But my grandmother has allowed us to move into her house, and now things are really looking up.
I love having my daughter and my grandbaby here. They fill up this house again.
When we were watching you on TV, I was crying. We rooting for you.
Yeah. Being here finally feels like my mom and I are headed in the right direction, and I don't ever want this feeling to end.
When the sins of my father weigh down in my soul, and the pain of my mother will not let me go. Well, I know they can't come fire from the sky to refine the purest of me. And even though out of the ground, but it just keeps on getting harder, and the hunger more profound. Well, I know they can't come tears from the eyes, but they may as well be in vain. Even though I know these tears come with pain, so and just the same.
You better sing, girl. Miss Jayna Brown got everyone on their feet. Wow. Brother Simon Cowell, talk to her.
Wow.
I don't know what to say after that, Jayna. What's happened to you? You were like this shy little thing when we first met you at the auditions. Then you got better. Then tonight you come on this stage. You just killed that song.
Yes.
But not only that, you controlled the song. I tell you what, I wouldn't want to be one of the contestants following you tonight. I hope and I pray America pick up the phone for you. And I got to say, this country's got real talent.
Simon said it. Heidi.
Wow, wow, wow. You really have the voice of a winner. You just do. It is unbelievable to me that you're only 14 years old, and in your voice there's so much maturity. You have so much power. You could have not done it any better than what you just did. I'm so proud of you. You're fantastic.
Miss Mel B.
Well, I mean, what a way to kick off the live shows. Come on. You know what? You were pitch perfect, note perfect, and you look perfect. What more can I say?
Mr. Mandel.
The word is pure. Your voice is pure. You're pure gold, pure talent, and I think you're just gonna make it rain for Simon and his record label.
Wow. Jayna, to hear so many amazing things from the judges, having this entire place on their feet has to feel amazing, right?
It does. It feels absolutely amazing. I could not have asked for a better response. Thank you guys so much.
You made it rain. Good luck tonight, Jayna.